You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names and more confusing biblical names many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel, become part of the community. The name of a king mentioned in the Bible, Achish. Achish is how it is normally said in English, Achish. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. Thanks for that. More videos for you here to learn more correctly pronounced names. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.